Here we are at the breakers in Morro Bay, California. The waves coming up over. Wow, it's just really great. Really big waves today. Kind of at a lull right now. We were watching these from the restaurant, which, let me pan here. Oh, look at that. We'll just follow that. Sorry, restaurant on hold. Go around this way. And this is what's called the Rock. Look at this thing. Goes clear the heck. God, I'm gonna get dizzy here. And all the way down. There. That's the whole bay.